How to find deleted story on Instagram. Keep watching. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. Find and tap on Your Activity. Under Your Activity, scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted. Here, you'll see all your deleted posts, reels, and stories from the last 30 days. To find the stories, tap on the Stories icon in the top right. Here, find the story which you want to delete or restore and tap on it. At the bottom right, click on the three dots. If you want to delete permanently, click on Delete. A confirmation message will pop up. Click Delete again. The same goes for restoration. If the story was not archived, this is your only chance to recover it. Within 24 hours for unarchived ones, or up to 30 days for archived stories. And that's it. Your deleted story is either back or gone for good. Subscribe for more quick tips.